Hi Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will be creating a subscription on Square with a fixed price. First, log into your Square dashboard. In Square, we will go to Items. First, we will create an item in the item library under the service. So we will create a service and we will add a name. You can add a description, a location. Then here we will make sure we put it as a fixed price and put a cost in. Then you'll go in, put in any of the additional information, click save. Next, in the items, we'll go ahead and add in an additional item just for the purpose of this tutorial, and we'll do a physical good. And we will put a cost in and we will click save. Once we have our service in, we will go back to our payments and invoices and we will go to subscriptions. From here, we will click create a plan. Once at create a plan, we will name the plan. You can put this as whatever you want. This will only be showed internally, not to your customers. Then we will click assign items. From here, you will select the items that you will want in your subscription. So we have our test subscription that we created here. And if you wanted to do the service, then we will search for our service. And you want to make sure that you have that cost. So here, we're going to use the two items. We'll add our frequency option. You can do daily, weekly, every other week, monthly, quarterly, twice a year, yearly. So here we'll do monthly. We'll set a billing date where you can set it for a specific day, either the last day, 1 through 31st. And then you can do the setting for a partial cycle billing. So if the customer starts the subscription within the middle of the month, how would you like them charged? That's what it's asking you. So you can prorate it or you can charge for the full price. Then you can have when that subscription ends, you can have never or after a certain number of billing cycles. The customer can cancel this subscription whenever they need. You can also add a discount to the subscription plan. You can also allow your customers to pause subscriptions and have a duration set for them. Then we'll click add. So now we have that set. If you wanted to add additional frequency options, like if you want it monthly, if you want it bi-weekly, or if you want it weekly, then you can set multiples here. And that would allow your customers to choose the type of billing period that they would like. So we'll click save. So from there, you will have this plan available. So when you have your item, now based on your item, that cost would be set for that item. So that is how you create a subscription with a fixed price.